Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going through how to cut square layers. Okay, so start off with taking a 1 to 2 inch profile parting from the front hairline until the crown and elevate the hair to 180 degrees, cutting a straight line. Split your profile guide into a centre part and section from the top of the head down to the top of the ear on both sides of the head and clip the hair away. Use a little piece of hair from the profile guide as a new guide for the back sections of the haircut. Take a horizontal section approximately 1 inch wide and raise to 180 degrees following your previous guide. Now, in the centre of the head, take a 1 inch vertical section from the crown to the nape of the neck. Again, elevate to the previous guide and follow your straight cut. Don't worry about the hair that falls back down, as it's just the length and does not need to be cut. Take half of the section you just cut and half of a new section, lifting again to the profile section and following the original guide. Continue in the same pattern until you reach the ear. You can split the vertical section in half if you struggle to hold it all in your hands. And you need to make sure you stand on the opposite side to which you're cutting to make sure you have a balanced haircut. Find the vertical guide in the centre back and use this guide to now cut the rest of the back sections. You are using the same technique, taking half of a new section and half of the old section and elevating it to your original guide, cutting the straight cut through. Continue this pattern until you reach the other ear. Make sure you cross-check the haircut to maintain balance and make sure everything flows well. Working on the front sections, keep yourself positioned directly in the center behind your client. Continue taking vertical sections using your previous section and your profile section as your guide and work all the way through to the front hairline on both sides of the head. Keep your arms up and square to ensure a straight and even cut is produced. Check the balance of the haircut and blow dry into your desired style. Okay, so here's the final look. It's very layered and there's a lot of movement. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you've learned a little something today. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.